ASPI made a significant breakout move yesterday, the 13th of October 2025. This is Tuesday, the 14th. Pre-market session is currently down 1.65%. All of that came after the company disclosed that it had signed a supply agreement for the largest quantity of enriched Silicon-28 received by the company to date. Yeah, underlying trend on its daily chart is a strongly bullish one. Okay, so this is its 4-hour chart. It's trading at a premium to all of its moving averages, especially here on this 4-hour chart and indeed on the daily chart. So extrapolation is saying that higher prices may remain in place up till the 14th of October, up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, we may have a contraction that may remain in place up till Thursday, the 23rd. Okay, projections are currently saying 10.22, nothing currently to the upside. We have 15.26 as of the 29th of September, 15.26, 14.49, 13.25, and then 10.39. Let's see whether we had anything higher than those. Let's see what we have. 11.74. Let's see what we have over here. 12.5, nothing really. Yeah, 2.04, nothing more to the upside, nothing more to the upside. But we'll be able to, you might be able to calculate them. Okay, so price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. You can see they are all the 10 and 21 period moving averages. They are all trending. We've been able to digest all of that. Okay, so yes, the 10 period moving average, strong trend mode, extreme aggressive uptrend. However, it has a negative first derivative, momentum deceleration occurring. The second derivative is positive, but indicating that that deceleration is slowing. Okay, so we know very well that the stock is down 1.65%. It has slowed that deceleration. Yeah, has slowed it somewhat. Yeah, slowed it somewhat. Okay, let's see whether we have. Yeah, that momentum has been is slowed somewhat. So the short term moving average shows explosive upward pressure, but the negative first derivative indicates this momentum is beginning to slow. However, the positive second derivative suggested the deceleration is easing. The 21 period moving average, a strong trend mode as well. First derivative is positive, accelerating, and the second derivative is equally positive, okay, indicating that that acceleration is stable. So in the intermediate term trend, the trend is strengthening with increasing momentum, showing healthy trend development. 40 period moving average it's also trending as well. All of them are trending. All the moving averages are trending. The 10, 20, so 10, 21, 40, and 200 period moving averages, they're all trending. But, there's a mix of negative and positive derivatives. So in the medium term trend, that is the 40 period moving average, it has a negative first derivative, slight momentum deceleration. However, this positive second derivative indicates that deceleration is minimal and stabilizing. Medium term trend remains firmly bullish with only minor momentum fluctuation. The 200 period moving average, stronger uptrend developing, trending toward trend mode. Okay, no, it's trending currently now. Yeah, this is trending. It's trending already 0.2, 0.62. So positive first derivative, significant momentum acceleration. Acceleration itself is also increasing. Yeah. Interpretation, the long-term trend is experiencing the most robust acceleration of all time frames. Okay, suggesting institutional positioning and sustainable trend of development. Is it? Okay, yeah. I think it is. It is indeed because its second derivative is which this second derivative backs up the first derivative. So If this is accelerating, good, but this tells you what is actually going on with the acceleration or the deceleration. So given this 200-day moving average has 200 period moving average has the biggest has this it doesn't have the biggest value. Okay, it doesn't. It's actually the 10 period moving average has the biggest value. Okay, well, of all the intermediate, okay, of between the medium term and the long term, yes, it has the best. The long term trend is basically the most robust. Okay, yeah, I think so. Yeah, it has the most robust because you can see here the 10 period moving average is negative first derivative. So yeah, by the time you add, if you combine them, then you have it's moderated. So yeah, the underlying trend is robust. Yeah, it is robust. Okay. All price pressure momentums are in trend mode. This is a powerful alignment showing bullish conviction across all time frames. Okay, yeah. The underlying trend shows the strongest acceleration dynamics, most encouraging for trend sustainability. Okay, near-term supports we have between 13.12 to 12.80. Resistances will be 13.68 and $14, where it's currently trading at right now. Yeah. So long term, okay, risk assessment, price pressure momentum, decelerating momentum. The decelerating momentum suggests potential consolidation or pullback risk. Accelerating momentum on the medium term provides support for continued strength. The 200 period moving average powerful acceleration indicates this could be the beginning of a sustained major trend. So the stock is in a confirmed multi time frame uptrend with particularly encouraging long-term momentum development. So watch for near-term consolidation around current resistance levels before the next leg higher. Okay, so we'll see if it's going to consolidate. Okay, so we're trying to find what the upper projections can possibly be. What we can do is we take this at 13.88 and okay, we'll take the current bar. We take 13.47 and we remove 12.55, 13.47 and 12.55. Okay, let's see what we're going to get. 13.47 minus 13.47 minus 12.55. We have 0.92, 0.92, 0.92 is the difference. So multiply that by 0.92 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 1.48. We add that to 13.06. We have 14.54 upper projection. 14.54. 14.54. Okay, so 0.92 multiplied by 2.618. We have 2.4. Add that to 13.06. We have 15.47. 15.47. Okay, 0.92 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 3.32, add that to 13.06. We have 16.39. Yeah. So far so good. We just keep these. We just keep these projections in view. 14.54, 15.47, 16.39. Yeah, the sky's the limit for the stock. This is actually an 52-week high, as a matter of fact. Yeah, we'll keep that in view. So just have a look and see what you make of ASPI. And thank you very much for watching this video.